Hello, myself Aryan Anil Patel, and today I am presenting the ISA Activity 2 of Minor Course of Flight Control System. My activity is analyzing the flight log for troubleshooting, recreating purpose, and generating the report. First of all, we go to the mission planner. Here we go to the simulation, wipe the previous all things, and download the multi-rotor. Here we see it is downloading. Let's see it's completing download and it's connecting. Here we see it's the connecting. Now it's connected. Here we see our drone is connected. Now here we go to the plan. First of all, we create a fence. Okay. Now here we draw a polygon. Here we see we draw the polygon. Now here we go and fence inclusion. Here we see our fence is created. We also add the points here, drag here. Now we see our fence is created. Here we see the total 8 commands or 8 points of the fence. Now we create one more polygon under this. Now we create a fence exclusion. So we select some part of near the college, and here we do a fence exclusion. Now our drone cannot be fly in this area and go in outside of this area, not go outside of this area. Now we add a relay points. Here we create 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we create some 5 rally points. Now we go to the fence. Okay. Sorry, we see our fence is not created because I don't write the fence. Now here we create again the fence. Here we see our fence is created. Here we go to the fence inclusion. Now we see our fence is created. Now now we see our both fence are created. We see here our drone cannot go outside of this fence and inside of this area. We create a fence exclusion and fence inclusion. Now we write this mission. Here our mission is written. Now we create rally points. Here we create 5 or 4 rally points. Now our mission fence and rally completed. Now we done a mission. Here we created a mission of 6 points. Now we write this mission. Now we go to the configuration and see our fences are enabled or disabled. Here we see our fence is disabled. Here we go to the enabled. Our fence is enabled, and we now write this parameter. Right parameter, yes. Or we also write our plan. Here we see our fence is enabled. Now we go to the data. Our plan is ready here. Here we see our fence and data is created. Plan mission data is created. Now go to the action. Set in a loiter mode. Arm this and now take off at a 45. Now it is in guided mode. It is taking off. Here we see the altitude of the drone are increasing. Now I am engaging in the auto mode. Here we see the drone is engaged in the automatic mode. Now our drone we kept in the guided mode. Here some problem are giving. We kept in the letter and again arm our drone. Our drone is armed. We taking off. Now see our drone is taking off. And now I kept this drone in the guided mode. Fly to here. Now you see our drone is flying at this waypoint. Now we can also change the direction of the drone. Now you see our drone is came at this waypoint. Here we see I put the drone in the guided mode. Now I am changing the mode of the drone to the RTL. Here we see our drone is landing. After landing our drone, we check or review the data log. Here we see it's reducing the altitude. Now we see our drone is landed. We wait for some time. It can disarmed. It is disarmed. Now we go to the data flash log. Here we download the data flash log. Download the latest log. Here we see the latest log. Here we see 29 for 2026. Download selected log. Here we see our log is downloaded. Now we go to the review the log. Here we see our file. Here we can open it. So here we see the graph, table, time, data table, mode. Here we see our map. In this we see our map, and here we see our map and guided plan. Now first of all we go to the attitude. In attitude we first of all check a role. After that here we see these values. By zooming we see a graph at. Now deselect to this and select a pitch. Here we also zoom it and see these values. After that we see the data of yaw. Now we go to the GPS. In this we see the altitude and longitude. Here we also only see the longitude and latitude. Here we see the graphs. Now we go to the RC in. Here we see the only we see 4 channels, not a 5th channel, because of we. Here we see all the data. It will only give the input data. Now we go see the RC out. Here we see 4 channels, not 5th channel, due to our own inputs are only 4s. Here we see the graph of that data. Now we see the longitude and longitude in this table. So here we go to the GPS and filter it. Here we see the latitude and longitude and altitude data. We can export visible these files into the Excel sheet and create the graphs. Thank you.